Today I've got Stephen Price with me. Stephen is based out of London. Stephen, thank you so much for joining us. When you thought about, getting manager onboarded, just curious, what were some of the issues? What were some of the problems that you were hoping to resolve with someone like Dynascape Manage?
The big problem that we had was scheduling. Second most important thing really was estimating. So they were kind of the two big areas that I wanted to address a bit more systematically than I had been doing.
What really stood out? Well, let's say if you were to sort of pinpoint on one reason that you picked Dynascape, what really kind of stood out that made us kind of stand out of the crowd?
The attention to detail. All the other systems that I looked at, especially with the estimating part of it, were just nowhere near in depth enough. And Dynascape stood out as really being the only proper choice for purpose-built system for landscaping. It was that kind of thoroughness and attention to detail, that came across in the sample videos and talking to the salespeople.
From an ROI standpoint, as you can imagine, right, people who are looking for a system like Dynascape, just curious how that's impacted your business today. If there's anything that you could share, kind of a quantifiable metrics or anything that you can share, that would be splendid.
There's no doubt that in terms of landing jobs, it has probably been a 20 or 30% boost in terms of the jobs that we land. So I felt that in terms of how it's improved us, all of those processes make the end result more streamlined and more consistent for the client. And it's actually easier to operate at the end of the day.
Well, like I said, thank you so much. We appreciate your time and I will speak to you soon.
No worries. Thanks very much.